Hi, this is Nikki. Welcome back to Nikki's Homemade Crafts YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to crochet the up and down stitch, which features mostly single crochet and double crochet stitches. It's a very easy and beginner-friendly stitch to create a beautiful texture. If you're part of the January 2024 mystery crochet along that features stitches that turn into a quick pattern at the very end, then be sure to check out the link down below in the description to see the correct amount of chains you're going to need in order to crochet this part 3. You can see the pattern for free on my website with ads, or you can join my membership, the Crochet Club, and become a monthly, quarterly, or annual member. Also, quick tip for those who are part of the mystery crochet along, be sure to watch until the end because there's something else you need in order to finish up this pattern. I will be using Premier's Cotton Sprout worsted yarn for this tutorial. I'm also using a 4mm crochet hook. In order to crochet the up and down stitch, you're going to need a chain with a multiple of 2 plus 1. In the second chain from the hook, crochet 1 single crochet. Now in the next stitch or chain, crochet 1 double crochet. Now you're going to repeat that. 1 single crochet and then 1 double crochet. Go ahead and crochet this pattern until the end of the row. Once you're done, it's going to look like this. Now you're going to turn your project, and now we're going to repeat what we did in row 1. So 1 single crochet in the first stitch, which is on top of the double crochet, and then on top of the single crochet, which is the next stitch, you're going to crochet a double crochet. So now go back and forth between single and double crochet stitches until the end of the row. Repeat the pattern until you're finished with your project. If you're part of the January 2024 mystery crochet along, be sure to watch the next video because it will show you how to finish up this pattern in order to combine part 1, 2, and 3 to turn it into a very fun, quick pattern. Be sure to share your picture into my Facebook group called Crocheting with Nikki with the corresponding hashtag. Now remember, I have a membership called the Crochet Club, and it has over 400 ad-free patterns with checkoff boxes and additional tutorials, VIP access to me teaching you every single week what you want to be taught. Whether it's stitches, tips, amigurumi, little patterns, or anything else, on a monthly basis, we vote on what you want to see the next month, and every week I go live and teach you exactly what you want to be taught. So come join my membership if you want to get my patterns ad-free and get a really fun community with it, as well as me teaching you exactly what you want to be taught. I'll see you in the membership. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Be sure to like, comment, and share this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell to get a notification next time I publish a new video or go live. Now go ahead and watch the next video. I'm sure you want to. I'll see you next time. Bye.